The number of extreme weather events are predicted to increase into the future. Hood transposes us from the present day to a moment in the 22nd century when climatic diversity will have increased by 20%. Hood is a climate-positive sculpture. The choice of materials keeps the carbon locked in. The framework is built from a single English oak tree. Many of the elements are modular and can be reused and repurposed, such as Studio Bark's U-build boxes used to build the seating and support the oak saplings, which are planted in situ after every show. Each tree, when mature, can sequester a ton of carbon a year. Underneath the sculpture, the sphagnum moss carpet will become a peat bog, which can hold carbon for thousands of years. The only carbon-heavy material is the copper, used for the ceiling, which has been pinned in place, allowing easy reuse. The inverted conical roof and supporting fins naturally exaggerate the sound of the wind and rain. A small weather station on top of the sculpture activates sound files which subtly augment the weather conditions, so when it drizzles it sounds like heavier rain. When it rains there's a sound of thunder. When it's breezy it sounds windy. For those sitting in the sculpture, their experience of the weather will be exaggerated, giving them the uncanny sense of what the weather will be like in 50 years' time.